Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we need to find out the angle between the curves xy equal to 2 and x square plus 4y equal to 0. Okay, now let us see how to do it. First, to find out angle between the curves, first I need to find out the point or the points at which the curves intersect. Okay, at that point I'm going to find out the angle. Fine, does that make sense? Now to find out the point of intersection, okay, I need to simplify. Now how? Solve. Literally I need to solve. So take this equation first, x square equal to 4y. Okay, now just write it as x square plus 4y equal to 0, right? So send the x square to the RHS, so I'd get 4y equal to minus x square. Now send this 4 to the RHS, so I'd get y is equal to minus x square by 4. Fine. Now the first curve is xy equal to 2. Now this is y equal to minus x square by 4. Now just put y equal to minus x square by 4 in this xy equal to 2. In place of y, just put minus x square by 4, so that I can get x, and once I get x I can find out y. So if I were to do that, x into minus x square by 4 is equal to 2. Now some basic simplification. X into minus x square is minus x cube. Okay, by 4 is there. Send the 4 to the RHS. So minus x cube is nothing but 8, because 4 2s are 8. Now send this minus to the RHS. So x cube equal to minus 8. Now see, my LHS is some cube, okay, x cube. I want my RHS also to be some cube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write minus 8 as minus 2 whole cube. Minus 8 I can write it as minus 2 whole cube, because 2 cube is 8 and minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Now x cube is nothing but minus 2 whole cube. Okay, now so what will be x? X is minus 2. That's it. I got my x. Now I need to get my y. You see, we got y as minus x square by 4, right? And we know x is minus 2. So y will be nothing but minus of minus 2 whole square by 4. When x is minus 2, see, y is minus x square by 4. What is our x? X is minus 2. So in place of x, put minus 2. So I'd get y equal to minus of minus 2 whole square by 4. Okay, so minus 2 whole square is nothing but plus 4. So minus is there outside. Internal one would be positive, because minus 2 whole square is there. Minus 4 by 4 is nothing but minus 1. Okay, I got my point of intersection. Point of intersection is P. Okay, I forgot is. Point of intersection is P minus 2 comma minus 1. You see, right? When x is minus 2, y is minus 1. Now see, listen to me carefully. Angle between curves is angle between their tangents at the point of intersection. Angle between the tangents at the point of intersection. Now basically I need to find out angle between the tangents at this point, P minus 2 comma minus 1. Now see, to find out angle between the tangents, okay, I need slopes of tangents. Now what is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. So I'm going to take two curves, differentiate them, so that I'm going to get my dy by dx after this. Okay, I'm going to find out the slopes, and then using tan theta formula I'm going to find out the angle between the two tangents. This is the process which I'm going to follow. Okay, now see, my first curve is this, xy equal to 2. Stay alert, give me more of your attention. Okay, xy equal to 2. Now send this 2 to the RHS. I'd get y equal to 2 by x. Okay, now likewise, this you already know, right? X square plus 4y equal to 0. 4y equal to minus x square. So y equal to minus x square by 4. Okay, y equal to minus x square by 4. This I showed you in the beginning. Now what we are going to do is we are going to differentiate these two. Okay, this is the first curve, this is the second curve. Fine. Now y is 2 by x. dy by dx is nothing but 2 into derivative of 1 by x. See, I differentiated both sides with respect to x. Now dy by dx is nothing but 2 is a constant, it will come out of the derivative. 2 into derivative of 1 by x. I hope this step is clear. Likewise this dy by dx is nothing but minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is a constant and x square will remain, so derivative of x square. Okay, now derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of x square is nothing but 2x. Okay, this would be nothing but dy by dx is minus 2 by x square. Dy by dx is no, see, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so minus x by 2, so minus x by 2. Fine. Now I got dy by dx for the first curve and dy by dx for the second curve. Fine. Now next what to do is slope of tangent at p minus 2 comma minus 1 is m1. Take the first slope as m1 equal to dy by dx at minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, dy by dx at minus 2 comma minus 1, because we are finding the angle at the point of intersection. We also need a slope. We are finding out the slope also at the point of intersection. Fine. Now you see our point is minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, our derivative is minus 2 by x square. So in place of x just put minus 2, in place of x just put minus 2. So minus 2 by minus 2 whole square, minus 2 by 4, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Hope it is clear. Now next, here also same thing, slope of tangent at p minus 2 comma minus 1 is m2 is equal to derivative at minus 2 comma minus 1. Now in place of x just put minus 2, in place of x just put minus 2. Okay, in place of x just put minus 2, so minus of minus 2 by 2, because my derivative is minus x by 2. So minus of minus is plus 2 by 2, it's nothing but 1. Okay, fine. Now we got m1, now we got m2. Now all that's left is to find out tan theta. But before that, let's do something else. You have been here with me up till now. This means that you are serious about your studies. So for serious learners, I have some tips. Okay, you see, oftentimes we get nervous, we feel a little of stress, we feel a little anxious. There are many things. Now what is one thing you can do, especially during exam time? We feel stressed, like sometimes we expect some question and we do not get it. Many things happen, right, during exam time. Now one technique which I would suggest is like rubbing hands. I learned, like, you guys can try it with me if you want, like this. And this is something you can use during exam also. Don't make too much sound, again it would irritate others. You can slowly, like you can just rub your palms like this. When you are like, when you are not disturbing anyone, like you can, do a bit more like this. You can increase, sound will come, but it's good. You can see warmth is generated and you can feel it relaxes you. At the same time, like if you are in exam hall or something, you can just do like this silently, slowly. Try it with me, come on. Okay, these are all some good techniques which I am giving it to you, so that whenever you feel stressed or nervous, you could use them. It relaxes. Fine. Chalo. Now I could relax a little. Now let's go back to the question. Hope you have relaxed as well. Now tan theta, if theta is angle between the curves, tan theta formula is nothing but mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So m1 is minus 1 by 2 and m2 is minus 1. I'm sorry, m2 is 1. So m1 minus m2 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So just substituting. Okay, m1 and m2 in this. m1 is minus 1 by 2, m2 is 1. So 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1. So in the numerator, okay, take LCM. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 means 2 goes here. So minus 1 minus 2 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 into 1 is minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 I get here. So minus 3 by 2 divided by 1 minus half is half. 1 minus half is half. So this 2 would get cancelled, denominators, right? So mod minus 3. Okay, I guess the step got repeated. You can ignore this step, you can ignore this. So 2 to cancel, minus 3 by 1. So anything by 1 you can just write it normally. So mod of minus 3, modulus of minus 3 is nothing but plus 3. So tan theta is 3. Now theta is nothing but tan inverse 3. Theta is nothing but tan inverse 3. Okay, fine. Thank you very much for staying with me up till now. In case you liked this video, please hit the like button. It would encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please just subscribe to it. Not just this question, I made other questions related to differentiation, other questions of this chapter only, tangents and normals, other questions of DCs, DRs, pairs of straight lines. So hope you will check them out as well. I'll put out some links in the description so that you could use them. Right? Once again, thank you.